one of the many meanings of the resurrection of Christ is that it really represents the coronation or crowning of Christ as King. Though he is King in his divine nature, he is crowned King because of what he accomplished in his human nature, the salvation of mankind. And that's why Paul declares in the book of Acts, chapter 13, that he was appointed to be King in parallel with his resurrection from the dead, so that his resurrection is really his appointment to kingship. And that's Paul. And John, in the book of Revelation, chapter 1, he says the same thing about Christ being the firstborn, meaning of the highest rank possible, the firstborn from the dead, and therefore the ruler of all the kings of the earth, so that his resurrection is not only his coronation as king, it's also appointing him as a ruler of all kings on earth. It means he is to bring peace and joy to all the world one day when he comes as king. So that's what his resurrection means to all of us. And so David, in the book of Psalms, chapter 2, prophesied about this, and saying that he would the nations would be his inheritance, and that the ends of the earth his possession. So he is to overcome all evil. And the thing about Christ being king is not only his rulership as king, but it also means that we will rule with him. We will share in his reign as king. So it means that the resurrection means for us that Jesus Christ is the most important, most precious person in our lives. And therefore, we can really say, Happy Easter, Christ has risen indeed. Amen.